WDAM 7 First Alert Weather.
Yeah, folks, and welcome back. Temperatures across the area right now in the low 80s, 83 degrees right now in Hattiesburg and Columbia, 81 back toward Collins, 84 for you folks in Waynesboro right now. We did have a couple of showers a bit earlier, everything lifting off to the north, almost due north, and most of the showers are now just across some of our northern counties. Light stuff, nothing life-threatening for today, and unless you're the Wicked Witch of the West, that would be about as bad as it's going to get. Or is it the East? Which one was the one that melted, Carrie, at the end of the movie? Was that West or East? The good one was the West. The good one was the East, right? Yeah. The bad one was the West. Thank you. I need help with some of my Wizard of Oz references. Dry air back in behind this little front, which is slowly edging this direction. By the time it gets here, though, it's going to be out ahead of the next system that slides through. So it's going to be a short-lived dry spell, likely part of the day through the overnight hours on Friday. That's the window of opportunity you get. Through tomorrow, a chance for some showers into the afternoon. The summertime pattern continues, and then on Friday, a slightly lower chance. We're still running 10 to 20%, but if you wanted to get super precise about it, tomorrow we're like 19, and then on Friday we're down to 13. So the difference, not great, but it's there, I suppose. We're still going to go with a 20% chance each day. By the time you average it out and everything and do the math, 20% chance both days. Better chances show up as we head through the day on Saturday. Here's the front. Notice the much better rain chances through the afternoon back off to our northwest. We're starting to get a better idea of the timing of this thing, and I know a lot of folks have gotten emails about weddings, boat trips, fishing trips. Saturday morning, you're good. Saturday through midday, you're still looking okay. I think as we get into the afternoon, a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms will start to develop across the area, but I don't think we see the main bulk of the action until we get into the overnight hours and into Sunday morning. Through the day on Sunday, there's a chance we could stay clouded over and a bit chillier. Your Carrie stressometer, we're still sitting between a raised eyebrow and concern. 3.27. Yes, the numbers are a little higher for today, but you convert this back to the SPC. We're still only looking at a marginal risk for severe weather. We will keep an eye on things as we head through the next couple of days. In a nutshell, though, hit and miss showers and thunderstorms for the next 2 days. A stormy Saturday with severe weather possible, so if you do have any plans to be outdoors, just make sure you have a plan B, or at the very least a good sturdy shelter that you can go to should a storm develop near you, and then we're cooler next week. Getting you out the door tomorrow morning, really quickly, we may end up with some more fog, and I know what you're thinking, going, Nick, this is like the third or fourth day in a row. It's that summertime pattern with wind coming off the Gulf of Mexico. We just end up with fog as we head through the overnight hours. So if you're up dark and early, drive careful on the road. Give yourself some extra time. Same goes as we head towards 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Just give yourself some extra time because folks can be driving a little bit slower, and you should do. Make sure you drive with the low beams on as well. Next 7 days. The 80s hold true through Saturday. That's when that cold front sides through. How about just 70 degrees right now is what it looks like on Sunday with some lingering chances for rain in the morning before we clear things out and warm things back up as we head through the middle of next week. Carrie, back over to you.